What can teams do to plan for a great implementation?
To have that implementation to move forward, after you're done with your project, step with me is establishing team buy-in. Let the team in the door on deciding this thing. Maintenance teams, we're a very tight group. I mean, we kind of like to separate ourselves from the production guys. We're very tight, very, very hard to penetrate that family, right? So, when upper management just throws a CMMS at them and they don't let them, in on the process of finding something that they think they could use or relate in their work environment, they take offense to that. They look at it as somebody trying to micromanage them, so to speak, or micromanage their time. You get that buy-in from your maintenance techs and you have your data prepared and all that, you're going to have a great implementation, no doubt.